Good morning, children. I am Sheila Goldwyn, teaching you science today as according to your timetable. I hope you have done your maths homework, and anything that is doubt, you must come with your query in your app. So children, today in science, we are going to learn something very interesting, that is about animal kingdom. Before this class, that is in your third standard, second standard and first standard, you have already studied about animals and their different kinds and what they are used, etc. Today we will see how you have studied in your first standard about animals. In first standard, you have studied animals, that is, you have studied wild animals, and you have studied domestic animals. I am sure you remember them. Now, wild animals, they live in the forest and they are eating all that is available in the forest. Domestic animals, they are living within the house, or it is just called as they have sheltered themselves with human beings, and they are very useful to us in many ways. You must have studied the dog is useful for guarding the house. Then we have cow, buffalo, sheep, goat. We use them for meat and we use them for milk. We also studied about the animals like sheep gives us wool, goat gives us milk too and meat. Then we have hen giving us egg. So all these were very useful, isn't it? Then we also studied in third standard animals that live in land, in air and in water, isn't it? Now those that live in the land, they have their food, their shelter in land. That lives in the air, you all know birds mainly, they fly from one place to another place for their shelter and for their food. Water, you must have seen dolphin, you must have seen whale and fish. All these are in the water, and they also depend on the food in the sea and their water life. So these are the animals in various ways. Children, before we step into the animals, animals are also useful in various ways for the balance of the nature. And children, they have on this earth, and they have similarities. Similarities means they have same thing like we have. Now we need food, children. Animals also need food. We breathe air. If we don't breathe, then we die. Animals also need air. We need also shelter. We live in a house. Animals also need shelter. Then we need also many other things which is needed by the animals. They also need love, they need care, they need warmth. Some people are very rude to animals, no? You must have seen some people beating dog. They throw stones. Do you throw stones on the dog and cats and all? No, because they cannot talk. We can tell when we have pain, but animals cannot tell children. So be kind to them. You must have already studied in the previous English lesson stories, and also you must have studied in science EVS that how we have to be kind to animals because they look for our love. Okay? Now what are the similarities? I just asked 4 similarities, children, that animals need. See, that is you need and animals also need. You need and what animals also need. First is, I need air to breathe. Animals need air to breathe. I need food to live. Animals need food to live. See, they also need. I need to move from one place to another. Animals also move from one place to another. See, then last is, they give birth to young ones. You must have seen your home, you have baby sister, baby brother, and they grow up. So even same way, the babies of the dog will be pup, small pup. You love, no? You'll play with them. And the cat, kitten, small ones, they come running to you, play with you. So all the animals also give birth to their small ones, and they look beautiful. So children, today this is your homework. You must do it and learn it. And next class we will go further with Animal Kingdom. Thank you, children. See you on Monday with a new English class.